Today I'm going to teach you how to earn $1,000 per day. I'm signing up for Aptive for the day to see if I can sell pest control, mostly because back when I visited Idaho Falls, Idaho, I met with Chandler David Smith and saw the real estate he owned and the deals he was buying and how do you get the money to buy all this real estate. It was from pest control. What's up, man? What are we doing today?
We're gonna go out and sell some pest control.
My name is Kevin. I'm your neighborhood bug guy. That's a cool thing about sales is you could learn like this much and make a lot, you know? How has your income evolved?
It's literally doubled and now quadrupled.
That right there would have been somewhere around $800 in commissions for me as a sales rep.
Right.
And I'm like, this is my first day doing this. People do this 90-day thing and they learn how to sell or whatever. Like, it really teaches people like, wow, selling. That's where you make the money.
You can check us out at elitesummersales.com. If you want a job, give us a call. We can see what we can do.